Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Excuse me, ma'am. I was having a little confusion that we were we have to submit that assignment of extra activity. So in that there are two we have to paste two links. So
Hmm.
what links we have to paste? That statistics, for example, I'm having this page
The
statistics
Google
one.
spreadsheet.
Yeah, that's clear. But
Hmm.
the doubt is like we are having a portfolio and under which we are having a page statistics one. And under
Hmm.
that we are having two sub pages. First is activity one and second is activity two.
Hmm.
So which link we have to submit in both the links? Because they have mentioned statistics one only, but in the second one they're asking about activity two. So it will confusion that which link we have to submit in both. Same link of statistics one.
Yeah, like the activity, the questions that they have asked, you have to link that. You have to paste that link only.
That if we
In
will be like pasting the main page link, under that we're having two sub pages. So is it
hmm.
okay that we paste the same link in both the sections?
in the both the sections, are they asking the same questions or what are the questions?
The questions are different. That is why we have created two sub pages under that statistics one. Na?
Acha, acha.
Two activities like activity one and activity two.
So the activity one just paste in the activity one and activity two paste in the under the
Okay, not the
activity. Yeah.
main page link. We have to submit the
Is
sub
it?
page.
Because as per my understanding, there is just one activity is related to creating the page, and second activity is related to the Google Sheet where we will be defining the types of variable, etc. So, do we need to paste them separately, two pages? Do we need
We
to
have
create
to,
two pages?
yeah, we have to create two pages. They have mentioned that activity two should be separated from the first. They have mentioned there. That is
See, in
why
the
there was
first
confusion.
activity, they are just asking about the portfolio. In that portfolio, you have to create statistics one page, correct?
And
That's
about the
the activity
course.
one. Yeah, and about the course. That's the activity one. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, you have to,
It's an activity.
yeah. Then the activity two is you have to under the URL for the statistics. You should have section title extra activity. So you have then you have to in the extra activity two, you should paste the URL in which there is a title extra activity two like that.
And ma'am, actually, I have created two sub pages. So for activity two, it's clear I will be pasting the link of
Huh.
activity two. But for
Huh.
first, I am having activity one, which is about the course.
Hmm.
But I have created a statistics one, which is the main page, which is like about the instructor and like all. So
Okay.
which page should I could
So
paste as a okay?
both statistics one and extra activity one, you paste in the first one, and extra
Okay.
activity two just paste in the activity two column.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, we will get bona fide certificate and admission letter for this course.
Benefit. Which one?
Bona fide certificate and admission letter.
Certificate for what?
Bona fide certificate.
Hmm. Completing the degree or something like that. Or
No,
what you are
that
asking?
we are studying in this program. For that, we can get bona fide certificate and
Yeah, but
admission letter.
if you're completing the degree, then you will be getting, no?
Ma'am, when we will get the receipt of the payment that we have done tomorrow?
That I think you have
Yesterday.
to no, that you have to ask to the support team or the people who are handling these things.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Miss Tom,
And, and when our ID card, ma'am?
sorry.
ID card, ma'am, ID card.
ID card just as a support team. They will be,
Okay.
yeah, they will be some. Okay, so Muskan, you have any doubt? You raised your
Ma'am, I
hand.
was asking about bona fide certificate and
Oh,
admission letter.
Us. Okay.
Do you have any idea about that?
Just as see these kind of things, the technical issues or any certificates or admission related thing, just ask the support team. They will be helping.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. First, let's start the session right now. Okay. Then I will clear your doubts regarding other than the subject. Fine. So Vanshi and Jaga, are you having any doubt related to the subject like week
Ma'am, I
6?
want to ask
Tanishka,
some.
just a second, just a second. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Regarding this assignment, graded assignment, but this is a new thing, EMQ assignment. Just
Hmm?
want to know how to approach that.
Which one?
EMQ assignment.
EMQ.
E, yes,
The okay. So what's EMQ? It's not even graded.
no, it's grade uh, per week section.
We are talking about week 6.
Yes,
Hmm.
part 2. It's mentioned programming
This
assignment.
session is for mm, revision or question practice.
This is just a doubt session. So I'll just be taking activity-wise doubts. So if you have any
Of
doubts
which
in
week,
week C,
ma'am?
then sorry,
Of which week?
6.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
See in graded assignment 6 EMQ under question, they have, I think, they have provided how to answer the questions. Just go through that.
Okay,
Okay.
instructions.
Yeah, the instructions. Like in the question part,
Mhm.
like in the question, just click on question. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll share my
yes.
screen. Just a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think week 6 has been completed.
Just a second. No, it has not. Okay. So this is the EMQ, right? So
Yes,
this first page you are able to see, correct? Now in the
yes.
just go to the question, and here you will see the instructions. Just click here. You will get to know like this. You have to answer the question. Then you have to download it in the PDF format. Okay, just like that, and this
Can you
you have to upload.
can you repeat, ma'am? Can you repeat my last 2 sentences? It's not
Yeah,
clear.
just like you have seen in this, like in in this format, you have to write the answer. Then you have to download the questions in the like you can download
Okay.
this question. These are the questions actually. So just
Mhm.
write in that format and download that in this PDF format or zip file or something, and just upload it here. That's it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ma'am, could
Does
you
it have
please
to be
share the
PDF itself?
sample student portfolio for the stats activity?
What?
Ma'am, could you please share the sample PDF of the sample student portfolio for the stats activity?
It's there in the that weekly activity.
And that is
Weekly
only one
extra
telling
activity.
means the
Huh?
activity only telling that means the sample PDF of the student portfolio for the
Uh,
activity.
I
Could you
don't
please
have.
share?
I don't have actually.
And what should be the extension for the file?
Extension for which file?
Does it have to be a PDF itself, or I just took a screenshot of my notepad and I uploaded it.
Hmm.
So should that be
Yeah, it should be fine. The
okay?
answer should be there. That's it.
Okay.
But the answer should be in that format.
Format. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
The
That
format that
list
they
of
are asking, in that format, you
Mhm.
have to just upload it.
Okay, that list of options are the answers for the questions.
Correct,
Maybe
correct. Yeah. So they
that.
have
Okay.
provided you. So these are the questions. So in that questions, like you have to check which options are correct. Like which of
Okay.
the options
Okay.
are correct for that particular question. Like that.
Understood. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks
Ma'am,
for
what is
clarifying.
peer review?
Peer review in the sense you will be provided other students' project, the extra activity that they have done. You have to review it and give them marks. Okay.
And ma'am, the marks what a student give will be the final mark, or the instructor will also
No,
see
no,
the.
we will take the average, like the best five, like how many reviews you have got. With that, you will just check.
Okay, ma'am. And if someone
Someone has got
intensely,
30 reviews then.
Sorry?
Someone has got 30 reviews then.
No, nobody gets that much of reviews. Maximum 6 or 5. That's it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. I have a doubt about extra activity 1 and 2. Please guide something about that.
See, all the instructions and everything has been given in the portal. Just go through that. Okay. Just go through it once again. Everything is there. The videos are there. The PDFs are there and everything. Just go through the content. Okay.
Ma'am, is
Okay.
ma'am, are roll numbers
Please explain question number
categorical
2
or
of
numerical?
ma'am, what we have to
Yeah,
submit
now,
in
okay, just a second,
activity?
just a second. Now I'll just be going with the activity questions and everything, week 6. And after that, if I complete all these things, then I will solve the extra doubts. Fine? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just lower your hands if you don't have any doubts in week 6. Neil, you have a doubt in week 6 activity. Okay. Neil, you have a doubt in Okay, so just raise your hands if you have any doubts in activity 6.1. Okay, Bhavishya,
Question number 2.
question 2. Find the number of subsets of the set this having 5 elements. Okay, so how did you solve? Have you tried solving it?
Tried, but I got a very large number.
You got very large number.
Yes.
Find the number. It's 1 having 5 elements. So how many bits are there? 10 bits. So particularly you will be using the combinations, right?
Yes. 5 choose
Yeah,
10. 10 choose 5. Yeah.
it should be
In that
10
way, you
choose
will get
5,
the answer.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically what they are saying, okay, so we have 10 numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, till 10. So in total, I have n equals to 10 numbers, correct? Now, from these 10 numbers, I have to choose what? 5 numbers. You getting my point? So if I have to choose from this 10 numbers, if
Yes.
I have to choose 5 numbers, then what will be the value? It will be, you have to choose. So
10
it will,
C5.
C5.
it will be 10C5. So what is 10C5? 10 factorial divided by
5
5
5
factorial into
factorial
5
into 5
factorial.
factorial. So if you just solve this thing, you will be getting, what was the answer?
252, ma'am.
252.
Ma'am,
Just check.
excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand why 5.
Okay. So
I
basically, okay, what?
got some calculation mistake, that was I'm getting a last name.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, see, we have been given 10 numbers. Okay. From that 10 numbers, you have to choose 5 numbers.
Yes, and in each order doesn't matter.
Order doesn't
So,
matter. I am just choosing numbers. Okay. So basically, let's suppose in a bag, I have 10 balls. Fine. I have 10 balls here. And you have to choose 5 balls from it. So how will you choose it? So it will be 10C5. How many combinations? Like in total, I have to choose 5 balls. So how many? So at first time, I would be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In next, I could have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that, I could have many combinations, right? So here order doesn't matter because we are not considering any order. So it's not like I am taking 1, then I am taking 2, then I am taking 3. It's not like that. Okay. So basically I'm just like in a one go, I'm taking 5 combinations. Then in the second, I'm taking 5 combinations. Okay. Like that. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's it. So that's why we are not considering we are not considering order, but just that's like we are just choosing balls. Sorry, the numbers. From the 10, we are choosing balls. Sorry, the numbers. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay then. Now next, any other doubts?
Question 4.
Okay. Okay. So anybody knows about binomial expansion? Have you guys heard about binomial expansion?
Class
Yes,
11.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Class
what is a
11.
binomial expansion? It is basically a plus b raised to the power n, which is equals to summation of k equals to 0 to n ck a raised to the power n minus k b raised to the power n, right? This is my binomial expansion, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Everybody knows this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, this is just a theorem, okay? Now, first of all, in the question, I have been given NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus till NC10, correct? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so in this, if you see NC0, so I can have 1 raised to the power 0, 1 raised to the power n. So let's suppose this is my A and this is my B, correct? So here 0, like that means my n minus. So I can write this as n minus 0 and I can write this as, oh, this should be k. Okay. B raised to the power k, that is 1 raised to the power 0. Similarly, I can write this as NC1, 1 raised to the power n minus k, that is n minus 1 into 1 raised to the power 1. Correct? Can I write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, I can write for other numbers. Okay. So basically, why I'm writing 1? 1 raised to the power anything. Let's suppose 1 or 2 or any n number. It will be equal to what?
1.
1 only, right? So I can write 1 raised to the power n minus 0, which is 1 raised to the power n. So 1 raised to the power n will be what? 1,
1.
Yes, ma'am.
correct? Similarly, 1 raised to the power 2, which will be equal to what?
1.
1.
1.
1 raised to the power n minus 3 will be equal to
1.
1, right?
1.
So that's why. So here, if you see in the equation, we don't have these numbers here. It is only given NC0, NC1, NC2 because this one value is equal to what? 1 only. And NC0 multiplied by 1 will be equal to what? NC0 only,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So that's why. So here, if you see, this part is A and this part is B. Similarly, for this part this is A and this is B. For here also, if I write n minus 10 into 1 raised to the power 10. So this is A and this is B. So now, what is my A? A is equal to 1, correct?
1.
A is equal to 1 and B is also equal to 1. Now, this whole thing is equal to what? A plus B raised to the power n. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
this whole thing, can I write it as summation of k goes from 0 to n raised to n c k. Can I write it? 1
Yes,
raised to the
ma'am.
power n minus k, 1 raised to the power k. Can I write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this will be equal to what? 1 plus 1 raised to the power n. Can I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But could you please repeat? I could not get it.
Okay. Okay. I'm just repeating it once again. You know okay, this is my binomial expansion. A plus B raised to the power n is equal to summation of k equals to 0, 0 to n, nck, A raised to the power n minus k, B raised to the power k, correct? This thing is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now, the equation that we have been given is NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 till NC10, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can I write this as summation of K going from 0 to N,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
NCK? Can I write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Okay.
Sorry, this is 10, not N.
We will can see you.
Okay, this was the equation. Now, can I write it? K equals to 0 to 10.
And then in the second line, yeah.
Okay. Now, this thing is clear.
Okay, ma'am.
This step is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I am writing it as summation of K equals to 0 to 10, 10 CK, 1 raised to the power 10 minus K, 1 raised to the power K. Can I write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because 1 raised to the power something is always 1, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you compare this thing with this equation, just compare this with this equation. Now this thing is equal to what? A plus B raised to the power N, correct? This thing is equal to this thing. Now
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what is the value of A and what is the value of B?
1 and 1.
1 plus
1.
1 raised to the power. This is N, right? So in place of N, what will be the value?
10.
10. So this will be equal to 2 raised to the power 10.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it. Oh, everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Anupam, you have a doubt?
Yes, ma'am. I want to know how to submit a programming assignment. I tried by CVC file or a text file, but it's
Okay,
not.
that I will just this programming in the stats thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that I will see later. First,
Okay.
yeah, just let me
Okay, ma'am.
complete this. Okay, so this question is clear, right? The value, the fourth question, everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next, any other question? Anyone?
Ma'am, please respond on question 1.
Sorry,
Question 1, ma'am.
of this activity.
Yes,
Okay, out of group of 6 men and 8 women, you need to form a committee. Okay, so what's your doubt in this?
I did many things. I took 3 men and 5 women out of 6 and 8 women, respectively.
Okay.
But I have something that happening. So please explain this question.
Okay, so basically you have been given, okay, so this was already done in the live session. Okay, so I'm just repeating it. So basically you have 6 men and 8 women, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So from that 6 women and 6 men and 8 women, you have to, I think I have done this question. Okay, I guess this was the question, right? From 6 men, you have to take 3 men. Yeah. So basically, you have to select 6 men from the from 6 men, you have to take 3 men, and from 8 women, you have to take 5 women, right? This is the committee that you are forming.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
just choosing it, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically, it will be 6C3 into 8C5. Solve it, and you will get the answer. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Anju, you have a doubt? Uh, you have raised your hand. Anju, what's your doubt? Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. So
Yes, Anjum. Ma'am, I was asking in the question number 6, I understand that this is the options are 15, choose 3, but why do we see this correct option as well? For 15, choose 12. I just need
Okay.
a little bit clarification on that.
Okay.
That's
So
it.
do you remember this thing? This rule?
Yes, I remember. Yeah, I
Yeah.
know that, but
So it
yeah.
will be 10C. What is the thing? It will be 15C3, correct? So this was,
Mm-hmm.
that was 15C3, correct? Now,
Yes.
this is what? My NCR. Fine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So N is 15, my R is 3. Now, this thing is equal to what? NC, N minus R, right? So what is N?
Yes.
15. C. What is N? 15 minus 3. So what will it be? 15C?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, get it now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So if you're done, you can just lower your hand. Anybody else? So 6.1 is clear to everyone? No doubts?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Just okay. Let's move forward to 6.2. Okay. So 6.2, you are having any doubts? Question? Any questions?
Question 1.
Question 1.
Can we please, yeah, explain this question? Though I know how I did it, but if we get the clarification, then it will be better for our understanding.
Ma'am, I think that
These
answer is wrong.
these questions were, I guess, I discussed in live sessions, right? Okay. Okay. There was a question. I discussed it, I guess. Okay, I'll just do it once again. This was the question. Okay. So basically, what the question is stating, the question 1 is a doubt, right? For everyone? Yeah, for 2 of them, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
question is, out of 6 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? So basically, how many consonants I'm having 6 and vowels I'm having 4. Okay. So I need to make a word in which 3 consonants are there and 2 vowels are there. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 6 consonants and 4 vowels. From this, I have to choose 3, and from this, I have to choose 2. Correct? So if I'm having 3 consonants and 2 vowels, so how many words I'm having in total? 5,
5.
right? Okay. So the first my step is, the thing is, I'm having 6 consonants. So from that 6 consonant, I have to choose 3 consonants for the words to form a word. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes.
I have a
Okay.
doubt that
So
it doesn't mention anywhere that we have to make a sensible word or non-sensible word.
Kavya, you are saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not audible. Can you speak louder? Kavya? Okay. So the first step is I'm going to choose 6 consonants from, I'm going to choose 3 consonants from the 6 consonants, right? So how many ways I can do that? 63.
63.
Correct? Now, the next step is I'm going to choose 2 vowels from the 4 vowels, right? So I can do that in 4C, 2 ways. Fine. So I've chosen 3 words. I've chosen 2 words. Correct? So in total, I have 5 words. Now, these 5 words, I have to arrange them, right? And I am
Yes,
making
ma'am.
a word, right? So every position, every order matters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So this will be what? 5 factorial?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just solve this. You will get the answer. Is it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
I mean, it should have been 63 into 3 factorial into 4C2 into 2 factorial because the consonants and vowels can swap positions, means can be rearranged. It will form distinct words.
Sorry, can you come again?
Means I cannot understand, means why are we after applying the 63 and 42 we are doing 5 factorial? We should have done 63 into 3 factorial into 42 into 2 factorial, because when we are choosing 3 consonants, the order of the consonants is mattering, because every word will have different order of consonant, and same for
So
the
see,
vowels.
it's just that from like I have to arrange these 5 places all together, now, not the 3 places. So if you are taking 3 words from that, so that 3 words should be arranged in the all the 5 places, right? You're getting my
Yes, yes,
point?
yes,
You're
it
not
should be
arranged.
arranged.
So these, okay, if I say this A, B, and C, these are the 3 words. These are the 3 consonants. So these 3 consonants cannot be arranged in these 3 places only. It can be arranged in all the 5 places. So that's why what we
Oh,
did, yeah. So that's why what we did. First, we chose the numbers, the digits, sorry, the alphabets. Okay. So I'm having in total 5 alphabets I have already chosen. Now these 5 alphabets, I'm going to arrange these in for 5 places, all the 5 places. Understood?
I'm sorry,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
If it was told that how many words can be found given these conditions, such that the first 3 positions have 3 consonants and the second 2 positions have 2 vowels, then it should have been only.
What?
Does the
Um,
order matter here? Because it is not given in the question.
yes, order
No
matters
order.
because defined what will be found. Ma'am, I am trying to ask that if in the question it was mentioned, means I had seen earlier this type, means how many words can be formed, these conditions the same, and they have added such that the first 3 positions contain consonant and second 2 positions contain the 2 vowels.
Yeah.
Then
So that's a different condition. That's a different condition. Then all the 3 consonants should be placed here and all the 2 consonants should be placed here. That's it. Then these 3 consonants will be arranged in themselves in their 3 places, and the vowels will be arranged in these 2 places. That's it. So we
okay,
are not
ma'am.
considering the whole 5 places at that time. Then you can do this 3 factorial and 2 factorial, something like that. Okay.
Means here no such restriction is there. Means ABC can go to other positions also.
Yeah, there is no restriction. They are just saying
Okay.
that you have to make 5 letter word in which there should be three letters, 3 consonants, and 2 vowels. That's it. That's the condition. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So my doubt here is that
Uh,
can we separate these ABC consonants or
yeah. Okay.
vowels or
Let's suppose I'm having a word, let's say A, C, B, like a random word. I'm just using a random word. Okay. This is one word. Fine. Now this means something, right? This is one word and it means something. Now I change the order. Now this is a different word, correct?
yes?
So here my order matters. Like something is like these all words are different, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And I cannot repeat the words, right? So if I'm having 5 words here, so these are my 5 words, let's suppose. Okay. Now I'm having 5 places. Now the first word, I have 5 choices, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now for the second word, I have how many choices? Now these I cannot repeat,
Four.
right? So
Four,
I have
Mhm.
4, then 3, then 2, then 1.
3, 2, 1.
Correct? So what is this?
Yes.
5 factorial.
Factorial.
So in
Yeah.
5 factorial ways, I can arrange these words.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, if the repetition is allowed, then it will be 2 to the power 5.
Yeah. If repetition is allowed, then 5 raised to the power 5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And one thing to confirm, means with repetition is same as with replacement, and without repetition is same as without replacement.
Can you come again? What?
And with repetition it is equivalent to with replacement, and without repetition is equivalent to without replacement. Is this correct?
With repetition is equals to with replacement.
Replacement is another thing.
No, I'm asking in terms of the finding out. Means in the previous EMQ we have seen that there were options called with replacement and without replacement. So with that I'm asking, means
With replacement means if you are taking one ball, you're replacing if let's suppose I'm having 10 balls in a in a container. Okay, you're taking one ball out. Okay, then again this one ball you're replacing it, in the sense you're just like like you giving back to the container. That's it, like that. You're not replacing it with anything.
Means the number that will come out when replacement is there, is it
Means,
equivalent to that with repetition?
see, the thing is the total in with replacement, the total number of n, that is n, will not be reduced. But if it is without replacement, the n will be reduced with each and every draw. So if you're taking one ball, then the number of balls inside the container will be n minus 1. That then again, if you draw, it will be n minus 2. So because you're not replacing the balls, right? So if it's with replacement, you are replacing. If you have taken out one ball, that one ball will be replaced with some other ball. So in total, my number of balls will remain same in with replacement. And if it's without replacement, the total number of balls will not be same after each draw. Okay.
Okay,
Do you
ma'am, means
have
I was
an
trying to say
example for
that
this?
in this question only, suppose in this question they mentioned that repetition allowed, they will be doing that 2 to the power 5. Is it equivalent to that situation that when we are putting a in the first place and we are also replacing that? So the, with that phenomenon also, will the answer be 2 to the power 5?
2 to the power 5.
No, I mean, suppose in this question, hypothetically, we were told that repetition of the alphabets is allowed in this question only.
Hmm.
So then we would in every place there would be possible.
So I
It
yeah I
will
can
be
have
5 to
5.
the power 5.
So
Yes,
it
5
will
to
be
the power
5.
5.
I have 5 here, five possible ways. I have five possible ways for every 5 places.
Yes, that would be 5 to the power 5, and
Ha, ha.
means hypothetically, like the example of the ball you gave, we were allowed to put that alphabet in the first place or the second place, and then we are allowed to take that back also. Like the replacement you told. So in that case also the answer will be 5 to the power 5, means
See,
with replacement.
in words they will be using repetition. If it's balls, they will be using replacement. That's it. You have to understand the meaning of the words. What do you mean by repetition? What do you mean by replacement? You got the point?
I mean, so both are equivalent, means numerically same answers will come, means that I'm asking.
Repetition. What do you mean by repetition?
I mean, same the same element can be
Can be
repeated.
repeated again. That's it, right?
Yes.
What is replacement?
I mean, when we draw out something, we are allowed to put it back.
Correct. That's it.
Okay.
Understood? Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Let her complete, please, Kavya. Just a second.
Okay.
Yeah, this simultaneously thing, because can you please give an example of something like simultaneously, which was making me confused, like where it
Simultaneously,
is used, because none of the question I see simultaneously is used.
simultaneously in the sense in which question?
Means all the processes need to go at one time, right? So the questions, the selection of something does not need to be in at the same time. It can, the time can differ, right? I select one ball, or then I will go and select the next ball or whatever, the paper or something. But an example where we have to use the process simultaneously, I need to understand that simple. Do you have something in mind to describe that in this process we'll use it simultaneously? Then fine. Otherwise, I can
No,
look
because
later
no,
on.
the thing is I didn't get your point actually. What do you mean by simultaneously? Like, what
In
is
the
your
EMQ,
situation?
there is yeah, in the EMQ there is one option that the processes need to needs to go simultaneously.
Hmm.
So, in which scenario I should select the simultaneous option?
Okay, simultaneously. Okay, so it's like you are after the like it's like if it's simultaneously, then that means like the events are like dependent on each other, I guess. That's why it is simultaneously, I hope.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because if you're taking one ball, then after that simultaneously you are taking the other ball, correct? So basically,
Yes.
the second outcome that you are having, it will be dependent on the first outcome, right? If you're taking
Okay.
balls simultaneously, you're taking it together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it will be dependent on the first event. Then the second event will be dependent on the first event. Then if you're taking out the third ball, that will be dependent on the second event. Which ball you are taking out, right? So this is,
Okay.
I guess, this is simultaneous. I hope, but I'll
Okay.
just check it once again, and
Mm-hmm.
we'll let you know. Okay, simultaneously this thing. If I
Okay.
could get
Thank
an
you.
example, I'll just check the EMQ. What's the situation? What's the question? Then I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am, in
Kavya.
the quiz 2 and the further quizzes, will we have EMQ type questions?
No, no,
Like
no.
only MCQs?
Hmm. Yeah, Kavya, you speak.
Ma'am, the last question we have solved, I have thought it in very simple way that like for the first position we have six consonants and for second we have five and so on we until the third letter I filled all the consonants and the last second I filled with the vowels. So I didn't get what's wrong in my logic.
So, okay, I'll just ask you, why have you placed the consonant in the first three play positions and the two vowels in the last two positions? Why have you done that? Is it stated in the question?
No, ma'am, but
No, right? Yeah.
order should not matter.
Order is mattering. I get that, but it is not stated that the first three positions have been occupied with the consonants and the last two positions have been occupied by the vowels. It's not stated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Until and unless it is stated, then only you can say that the first three positions are occupied by the consonants and the second last two positions are occupied by the vowels. Then only you will do the question, like that solution that you have done. But here it is only stated that you have five words. Those five words are made out of three consonants and two vowels. And these five words that you have chosen have to be arranged in these five places. That's it. And these are words, you are making words, so you cannot repeat it. That means the order is mattering here. Correct? The order matters here. So that's why we are doing 5 factorial. Got the point?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Any other doubt in 6.2?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, that programming assignment is graded, ma'am.
Programming assignment. Which is the programming or the extra
EMQ,
activity or
EMQ,
the
ma'am.
EMQ?
What is
I
EMQ?
don't think so. It is.
Ma'am, they gave graded assignment 1, graded assignment 2, ma'am.
The the graded assignment 2. Yeah, that is graded. That should be graded. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
That is graded. Graded assignment 6 part 2, that is graded. Yeah.
Ma'am,
That's
but
what
that
you
is
are asking
like
for.
programming they gave, ma'am.
Hmm?
It is like
It is like,
just a minute.
yeah, just go through the instructions. You will just get to know how to do it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just go through the instructions.
Okay,
I have a
ma'am.
question related to week 5. Can I ask?
Can I just complete week 6? Just let me complete it and I'll just come back
Sure.
to week 5. Okay? Yeah. So activity 6.2 is clear to everyone, I guess. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we proceed to practice assignment then?
Can you explain the question mentioned in tutorial 4?
Tutorial 4. I've not gone through the video. Oh, this was the question, right? Sorry. I totally forgot about it. Mm.
Can you explain this?
Actually, I've not gone through the video. So I have to go through the video, then only I can explain it. So, can I do it in the next session? I'm really sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
I totally forgot about this.
Tutorial
Yeah.
4 and tutorial 6. Two questions I
Tutorial
have written down.
4 and 6, correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next session for sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so practice assignment 6. Any doubts?
Ma'am, question number third.
Question number third. They have given the solution, I guess, for the practice assignment. I hope. Hmm. Okay. So the question is, there are 30 students in a class who are supposed to be seated in 6 rows containing 6 seats each. In how many ways they occupy seats of 2 students A and B are asked to sit in the same row? Okay. So how did you solve this? Like, what's the doubt? Like, concept-wise or anything? What
Ma'am,
what
I
did
didn't
you
get the.
understand?
Ma'am, I was confused about the question only. I'm not proceeding with it.
Okay. So basically, first let A and B be seated since there are 6 rows containing 6 seats each. It can occupy his or place in 6 into 6 ways. B is left with 5 seats to sit after A is occupied. So it implies that A and B can sit in 6 into 5 ways. Okay. Then 34 P 28. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So basically, it is stating that I have 6 rows. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And in each of these rows, I am having 6 seats. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So in each of these, I am having the same 6 seats. Now, the condition is, I have in total how many students are there? In total, I am having 30 students.
30
Correct. In that 30 students, I am having 2 students who should be
in
they
the
should be
same row.
sitting together. Yeah, they should be sitting together in the sense they should be in the same row. Fine. Now, I am just what I'm doing. First, I'm taking this condition. I'm taking A and B. Fine. Now, this A and B. Okay. So this A and B, let's suppose I'm taking only this row, the first row. Okay. So in A and B, if my first, this, let's suppose the first seat or any seat, they can, like the first seat can be, okay. So the thing is, this first student can be seated in the any 6 seats, correct? So for A, I am having 6 ways that he can be seated, correct?
But ma'am, we should consider the rows also.
Yeah, that we will consider. Okay. Then the
Okay, ma'am.
B can be seated in 5 ways.
5
Fine.
ways.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
so in total, I'm having 6 into 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So for each of the row, I'm having for A and B, I'm having 6 into 5, 6 into 5, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is being repeated 6 times. So I can write it as 6 into 6 into 5.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now this thing is clear. Now my 2 students have already been seated in the rows. Fine. Now how many remaining students I am having? 28.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now these 28 students, okay, in total, how many seats are there?
36.
I am having 36. Now from 36, 2 seats have been occupied. So remaining how many seats are there?
34.
I'm having 34. Now from like in these 34 seats, I have to arrange these 28 students, correct?
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Got it? So it will be 6
Yes,
into
ma'am.
6 into 5 into 34 P 28. Fine?
Ma'am, it will be C.
No, we are not choosing. We are arranging. We are arranging these 28 students in this 24 seats. We are not choosing students. We are arranging them in the seats. Correct? So
But,
there is a
ma'am,
difference. In combination, we choose. In permutation, we arrange the objects.
but
Got
in
my point?
permutation,
Hmm.
ma'am, but in permutation, order also is important, but arranging
Now,
28, there is no order.
28, what?
Ma'am, while we are arranging 28 students, there is no restricted order for them. Then why we are using permutation?
Okay, so, okay, what do you mean by combination?
Ma'am,
If I'm
mm, only
saying I'm having in total I'm having 10 pens. Okay, from that you have to choose 5 pens. What you will be doing? 10C5 because you're just choosing it, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here my order does not matter, but here What's the thing is we are arranging in this 34 seats. I'm arranging these 28 students, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to arrange these students. If arrangement is there, we use the permutation. If you're choosing, we use the combination.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay? Yeah, that's the thing.
Thanks, ma'am.
And the thing is, why here order matters. If one student has already been seated here, that student won't be sitting in any other rows, right? Only one
Yes, ma'am.
person is there, right? That one person is not getting repeated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the point?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, any other question?
Could you please explain this question again? I could not get it.
Okay. What did you not get it?
Ma'am, means
What?
we had 36 total seats,
Hmm.
and
Yes. Then.
ma'am, means two students. It is fixed that two students will be sitting in the same row. Means out of
Correct.
that, how could we get that 6 into 6 into 5? That I cannot.
Okay. So first of all, you have two students. These two students should be sitting in the same row, correct? That's the
Yes.
condition. Okay. Now I'm taking that. I'm just taking only one row. Okay. In one row, how many seats are there?
6.
6. Okay. Now the thing is, in how many ways this A can be seated? In 6 ways. In any of the 6 seats, he can be seated, correct?
It's in a single row.
In a single row. Yeah.
Yes, in 6 ways.
Okay. Yeah. Then B can be seated in 5 ways, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in total, how many ways A and B can be seated? 6 into 5?
Yes, in a single row. Yes,
In
6
a
into
single
5.
row. In a single row. Okay. Now, this is getting repeated. So, they can be seated in the first row or in two on the third row or the fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. In any of the 6 rows, correct? So, they can be seated in 6 ways. Again,
Yes.
okay. So, in how many ways I am having? 6 into 6 into 5?
I mean 6 into 5 for each row, and it is possible for the
For 6.
6 rows
Huh.
also. Then so 6 into 5 into 6.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now the thing is, how we got this? In total, I'm having 36 seats. So 2 have been seated. So remaining 34 seats I'm having. And in total, I had 30 students. From that, 2 have been seated. So in total, I'm having 28 students. So these 28 students have to be seated in this 34 seats. So I have to arrange these things, right? So 34 P 28. Got it?
Ma'am.
Okay. The question is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Any other question?
Ma'am, question number 21.
Question number 21. Hmm. A coin toss that is placed between two friends such that the person who wins 4 tosses first is the winner. Okay. What is the total number of possible ways in which the bet can play out? Assume that the game is played until one of the friends wins 4 tosses. The game ends once one of the friends wins 4 tosses. And only 4 matches are played. 5 matches. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. What's the doubt?
Ma'am, I
What?
was not able to proceed with it because I matched it with the probability one.
Oh, sorry. What?
Ma'am, I was not able to proceed in the right way. I have matched it
Mhm.
with probability.
Okay. Uh, Okay, so basically, what is the question? That there are two friends, okay, and they are tossing a coin and they are betting it. And if like who wins, like if like 4 times they are tossing it and they win the toss, then like who wins the 4 tosses first, they will be the winner. That's the bet. Okay. Now we have to find out the total number of possible ways in which the bet can play out. And the thing is, the condition is that the game is played until one of the friend wins 4 tosses. Fine. That's the condition. Okay. After the if one of the friend finishes it, sorry, wins the 4 tosses, then the game is finished. Okay. That's the game. Now the thing is, first condition I'm taking is when only 4 matches are played. Okay. So if 4 matches are played, so I'm saying one of the player must have won all the 4 matches. Let's suppose I'm having 2 players, A and B. So in the first condition, I'm taking the condition of A. Okay. So if I'm playing 4 matches, if they're playing 4 matches and A wins the match, that means like all in all the 4 match, in all the 4 tosses, like he won the toss. Correct. So the first 4 tosses, in that first 4 tosses, A wins. So that means the possibility will be one. Correct. Only one possible way is there, right? Because
Yes,
only
ma'am.
4 matches are there. That means 4 tosses were there. In that 4 tosses, only the A wins. Correct. So that will be one. This case one is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it fine? Okay. Now, the if we play 5 matches, if they play 5 matches, that means in the fifth bet, the player won. That means A won in the fifth bet. So that means if I'm having 5 matches, so out of the 4 matches, any 3 matches he will win. Correct?
Ma'am,
Is it?
I want to ask that when they are batting, what does it mean that they won the match? One should get tail and one should get head, like that?
Like if let's suppose A and B is there and they bet that if any of them get first 4 tosses as head, they win the game. Let's suppose that is the game. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So let's suppose then the first case is I'm having 4 matches. Okay. So in that whole 4 matches, A wins head.
Yes, ma'am.
So he wins the game. So there is only how many number of ways he can do that? Only one way.
One
Only
way.
one way he can bet. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm having 5 matches. So in that, I'm just saying in the fifth bet, he won the match.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So that means like in the fifth bet, they have won the match. So out of 4 matches, only 3 matches he will be winning.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So in how many ways he can win the 3 matches? 4C3.
Yeah.
Correct. Similarly, the sixth match. So they are playing 6 matches. So in the sixth bet, he is winning. So out of the 5 matches, only 3 matches he can win. So how can he do that? 5C3.
I see three.
Fine. Similarly, 7 matches. So in total, then we will be adding all the scenarios. 1, 4 plus 10 plus 20. So this 1, 4, 10 and 20, this is for one player. So I'm having 2 players here. So that's why we are multiplying it by 2.
Yes,
Got the
ma'am.
point? So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
got
Got it.
70. So this is the number of ways.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Any other question? 22.
Ma'am, could you please explain the toss question again? Means first thing I cannot understand is ma'am, means the case by case they are formed. I can see, but means the case one they are took that when 4 matches are played. Means how is it ensure that within the 4 matches one player will win the match? And what is the
We are
condition of?
taking that. We are just, it's a hypothetical condition, right? So the thing is, what we are finding out the number of, what was that? The number of ways, the total number of ways in which they can play, they can win the game, correct? That's the condition that we are taking. So the first thing is we are taking 4 matches. So if they are playing 4 matches, that means all the 4 matches have been won by one player, correct?
Yes.
So this can be done in one way only. That's a true event that all the 4 matches have been won by one player. So it is a what true event?
I means this I cannot get. Means means 4 matches are there, and it is given that who wins the 4 tosses is the first winner. And Means I'm not able to frame the logic of the question by myself. Means.
Okay. Okay. Let's suppose you are playing with a friend. Okay. So
Yes.
now the bet is, if you win the four tosses,
Okay.
if you win the four tosses, you will win the game. You will bet, like you will win the bet. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. And the winning thing is, if you get head in all the four tosses, you will win the bet. Fine.
Yes.
You toss one coin. So I'm having four matches. You toss one coin. Okay. You got the head. In the second toss also you got the head. In the third toss also you got the head. And in the fourth toss also you got the head. So that's
Okay.
a true event. That means you won the game. Correct? In this
Yes.
case, we are just taking that you won the game. So how can you win when you have all the, like if you win all the four tosses, correct?
Yes.
So
Okay.
in how
Yes.
many ways I can, it's only a true event, so it will be one only.
Yes.
That's a condition, correct? This
Yes.
is, you got this? Okay.
Yes.
Now, next thing is we are playing what? The five matches. Okay. In that
Yes.
five matches, you are winning. So when you will win? If you have four tosses, correct? Four
Yes.
wins, right? So let's suppose in the fifth bet, that is in the fifth match, you're winning one toss, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So that means out of the four, so before that we played four matches, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So in that four matches, you have to win three matches.
This is what I can get. Means in the previous case, in four matches, the possibility was only one. Here it is five matches. So
No,
in that,
I'm having five matches. So in the fifth match, you won one toss, correct? So in total, if you want to win the bet, you should have four tosses, correct?
yes.
Yeah. So I've got one toss in fifth bet. So the remaining four matches that I have played, in that out of four, I should have three matches that I should win, correct?
It's before the last match. I should have won three matches.
Huh. In total, I should be having four winning tosses, right? So if I'm having one winning toss in the fifth match, then the remaining three winning tosses should be there in the four out of that four matches.
Yes.
समझ आ रहा है?
I mean, so when I'm seeing the statement that there are five matches and four wins are needed, so my automatically it is coming 5C4 in my mind. But I know it is wrong, but I am not able to means.
अच्छा देखो हिंदी में समझाऊं.
Okay.
हाँ देखो. अब तुम देखो पहले सबसे पहले तुम्हारा, अब तुमने पांच मैचेस है तुम्हारे पास, ठीक है? तो मैं बोल रही हूँ जो पांचवा मैच है उसमें तुम जीत रहे हो एक बेट, एक टॉस तुम जीत रहे हो. तो एक टॉस तुम्हारा हो गया. इन टोटल तुम्हारे पास चार टॉस होने चाहिए, राइट?
मतलब 5 मैचेस में द लास्ट मैच.
हाँ, जो फिफ्थ मैच है उसमें तुम एक टॉस तुम जीत रहे हो. तो अगर तुम्हें चार टॉस चाहिए तो बाकी के जो तुमने चार प्ले खेले हैं उसमें से तीन टॉस तुम्हें जीतना है, तीन मैच तुम्हें जीतना
ओके.
है ना? तीन मैच तुम्हें जीतना है. तो उस चार में से तीन मैच तुम कैसे कितने बेस में जीत सकते हो? 4C3 है कि नहीं? पांचवा वाला है तुमने उसको फिक्स करके रखा है कि फिफ्थ वाला में तुमने जीता है. बाकी के चार जो मैचेस है उसमें फिक्स नहीं है, तो उसमें 4C3 बेस से तुम जीत सकते हो. मतलब कोई भी चार मैचेस में से कोई भी तीन मैच तुम जीत सकते हो.
मैम
तो कितने बेस?
मैम 4C3+1 ना, cause I can win all four of the matches.
How can you win all the four matches? Because the condition is you are just winning four tosses, that's it,
Okay,
not
ma'am,
more
got
than
it.
that,
Yeah, ma'am,
right?
sorry.
So you will be just considering only the three matches, right? So out of the four, you will be considering only three matches in which you have won. So how can you do that? How many number of ways you can do that? It will be 4C3. Fine. Now is
That
it done?
means
Huh.
I am supposing that I in the last toss I have won, and given
Yeah.
that I have
So
won,
you're
I have
fixing,
to.
correct. Huh. Given that condition, you're calculating the number of ways in which you can play the other three matches, in which you can win the other three matches. Okay. Just
Okay.
do the same condition to all the three
Okay.
cases.
This I got. It is okay. Means the if I won that tossed by the last match, I have to
हाँ,
win the other 3 matches. So,
correct.
but
हाँ,
how is it 4-3? I am not choosing any 3 things out of 4 things. I have fixed one thing, and there are some remaining 3 things. So, means yes, the condition I understood that means we are supposing that in the fifth match or the
so in
or
this fifth match, you are winning. So this is fixed. So in total, how
okay,
many matches are there? 4 matches are there, correct?
yes,
So out of these 4 matches, I have to win 3 matches. So how can I
oh
choose out of these 4 matches, 4C3 ways?
yes,
Okay, now you got it.
yes, okay, yes,
Similarly, for if I'm playing 6 matches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 match is already fixed. So out of these 5 matches, I have to win 3 matches. So it will be done by 5C3. Now I'm having 7 matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is fixed. Now I'm having how many matches here? 6. So from these
okay,
6 matches, I have to win 3 matches. So it will be done by 6C3.
okay. Now I got it.
Understood? Huh. Yes.
That means one thing I'm trying to comment. It is not about winning the last match or the first match. It is about winning any
Huh.
means suppose there are n matches. It
You
is
have to win
about
4 matches. That's it.
means
That's it.
given that I won nth match, there are still remaining 3 matches I have to win. So out of the
Huh.
n-1, I have to choose 3. So
Hmm.
n-1 C3. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please refer a book which I can solve for PNC?
Sorry, what?
Can you please refer a book which I can solve for PNC?
PMC?
Combination.
Permutation and
Permutation combination.
Try JEE mains.
I have just given it.
I think in the and like in the course introduction, they have given you the books, right? Just go through that books. They are good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I've sent it in the chat.
In the chat box. Okay. So practice assignment is clear to everyone, is it?
Yes.
Everyone, you don't have any other doubts? Anybody, like nobody is having any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so you have put it in the chat box. Oh my God. Just a minute.
Excuse me,
Guys,
ma'am.
please just,
Hello.
if you're just texting, if you're chatting, please just chat with regards to the subject. That's it. Don't go out of the box.
Ma'am,
Okay?
I have a doubt.
Is it clear?
Hello.
Is it clear to
Hello.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
please.
Ma'am, roll number is a categorical variable or numerical?
Categorical.
Where is
It's
Categorical.
categorical.
which one?
And is it a ordinal or nominal? Roll number, roll number.
Nominal itself, because
Nominal.
Nominal.
there is no order. There is no order in the roll number, right? It can be anybody can have any number.
But I can say I want the first 10 roll numbers of that class. I can say it,
But
right?
there is no hierarchy. You cannot say that one roll number is greater than the other. Like you can say for short that
But
10
I can
centimeter
arrange
is
the
greater than
students.
5
I
centimeter.
can arrange the students' roll number wise.
Yes, but you cannot. There is no hierarchy. You cannot say that one roll, a particular roll number is in a higher level or in greater in some way than the other. Like you can say is large is greater than medium in terms of size, but in roll number you cannot say anything like.
But I can say roll number 1 comes before roll number 2.
Yes, that type of sequence is there, but no hierarchy. The greatness or smallness that is not there.
Then if I have sequence, I cannot say that. I cannot say the same in case of gender. I cannot say males come before females. I cannot say that.
No,
But I
no, you
can say
cannot
roll
say.
number 1, student who has roll number 1 comes before the student who has roll number 2.
So basically the thing is, see, roll number is, okay, let's suppose, hmm, like you have a data, okay? So if you're having a data, the students data, okay? So if you're having a students data, so if, let's suppose I'm having one, like this is my roll number, then I'm having name, then I'm having age, then having some marks or something or the other, okay? So if, uh, like, this is one student name, his roll number is 1. Then I'm having other student name whose roll number is 2, something kind of like that, right? 3, 4. So the roll number is basically what? Roll number is basically you're just denoting this name with one value, which is 1. This name is denoted by 2. So if one person, because roll number is what? That's a case, that's a unique thing, right? So I can have different. So I can have two Arpit in a class, right? So if I have to, let's suppose if I have to get any data of any students, if I say I want the data of Arpit, so I will be asking which Arpit, right? So what I will be doing, I want the data of roll number 1. I want the data of roll number 3. So basically, what are roll numbers? We are just identifying the students. That's it. It's not ordered. It's a nominal thing. But if in the question it is stated that the roll numbers are ordered, that means that 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3, and like that, then it is an order. Got it? Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. No confusion. That's it. So basically, my roll number are cases. They are just used to identify a person or a name or a student or anything. It's just an nominal thing. We are just identifying the things. Ordered, like in the question, it will be stated if it's like stated that the roll numbers are ordered or something like the condition. It is being stated that okay, the names or the roll numbers, like the first person, the person who is having roll number 1 is the first person. They are the upper person. The second person, the roll number with 2 is the second person. He will come after 1. If it's being stated like that, something kind of like that, then you can say it's ordered. Fine? You got the idea?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Somebody said that they have posted something in the chat, but I'm not able to see the question. What is it? Who said
Ma'am,
that?
I've sent my doubt in the chat.
Yeah, you just, okay, the image you have sent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see it, ma'am. This is related to the train question. There are 2 stops and there are 8 train stops between Chennai and Assam.
How many
So
trains?
according to me, the answer should be 10C2 because the direction doesn't matter. Okay, so
Irrespective of the direction. If the direction does
yeah,
not matter, that means order is not the combination you will be using. No? So 8 train
yeah,
stops between Chennai and
but the
Assam. How
correct
many
answer
trains?
is 90.
Between
Second
any of the
permutation.
2 stations.
Yeah, they have taken
90
permutation
stations.
exactly.
Irrespective of direction of travel. So A and B, B and C.
It's from graded assignment, might be.
This is
This
graded
one is
assignment.
not from graded assignment actually, because if this was, then how would the answer be shown?
Are you sure this is not graded assignment?
A similar question is there in graded assignment, I would agree, but this one is not from graded assignment.
Let's see. Hmm. Where is this question?
Ma'am, I have a doubt from practice assignment.
Yes. Yes. So that a person can find it.
Hello.
Just give me some time to think about it. Yeah, is it okay? Who the Krish, right? Yeah.
There are 10 stations as you see here, and you have to choose two stations out of that. If you solve it that way, 10 out of 2, it will be around 42, and then you are taking the opposite scenario as well, so it will double the number. In that
No,
way, you
but
will
in the
find the answer.
question they mentioned irrespective of direction, so that opposite sense we do not have to consider according to the question. Irrespective of
But
direction is mentioned.
why we will consider total number of station as 10? It should be 9, no?
No,
It should be
between
10 because between Chennai and Assam, there are 8 stops, right? So its total stations are 10. So
But you will, but we have to select a station from where we are starting our journey. Why will we take its ticket?
sorry, we didn't get you. Your voice is breaking.
I am saying that we will start our journey from one of a particular station. Then why will we
Mhm.
purchase its ticket? We will take the ticket of remaining 9.
No, but the stops are 10, right? You are boarding that station. That will be included, not the remaining. But you have to, for
Even
sitting
if
on
you
the
do
train, to sit in
8C2,
the train.
even if you do 8C2, it comes 28. It is nowhere even close to 90. And if you do
I'm
8C2,
saying 9C2.
by 9,
It will be 45. If you do that way, 10 choose 2.
10C2 is 45, yeah.
Then irrespective of
So,
the direction, I will multiply it by 2.
yes, because somebody can sit from Assam to Chennai and then they can come back, right? They need different ticket to sit in the train. Not the same one will work. Same ticket will is not going to work for anybody.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Ma'am can explain better because I'm also learning. This is something new to me, but I'm grasping the ideas. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, what the question is, I'm having, so from Chennai to Assam, I'm having how many stations are there in between? One, two, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight stations are there, right? So now the thing is, if a person has to get a ticket, so it will be what? From one point to other point, correct? So from one point, so there
Yes,
are
ma'am.
2 points here, right? So if you remember, if I have to join these 2 points, in how many ways I can do that? NC2.
Yes,
If I have
ma'am.
to make one journey here, that means one direction of line. So I'm having total, like how many points are there? 8 points are there. So if I have to make one journey, I have to join 2 points, correct? That's the same theory. So here in total, how many points are there? One, two. In total, I'm having 10 points, 10 stations here. In that 10 stations, if I have to go from one point to other, so I have to join two stations, right? Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? So how many ways I can So if I have to take, so the question here it has been asked is that how many train tickets are to be printed so that a person can travel between any of the two stations. So we are considering any of the two stations, right? Any two stations we have to consider. So from the 10 stations, we have to take only two stations. So in how many ways we can do that? We can arrange
10p2.
10p2. This will be equal to what? 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial. So
It
this
will
will
be
be 10
90.
into 9, which is equals to
But
90.
why here 10p2? They have mentioned the
But
direction is not mattering.
yeah, since direction is not mattering, we have to divide this by 2. Because
Probably
suppose the
irrespective of
sec
direction of travel.
because Chennai to Assam is as same as Assam to Chennai.
Irrespective of the direction of travel. Okay.
I think here, irrespective of direction means he should be able to travel to and fro, up and down. That is the meaning of irrespective of direction. And that way we have to go for 10 pt.
Direction of travel. Okay, the thing is, irrespective of the direction of the travel, in the sense, we are saying that that person can go, like if,
Yes.
like the direction is not.
It doesn't mean the direction is important. It says all the directions. It means we should be able to go to and from between both the points.
Irrespective of the direction of the travel, right? So that a person can travel between any of the two stations, irrespective of the direction of travel. If you're saying combination, mm,
And for many questions I have seen related to this train question, I always saw that the irrespective of direction is given, but the answers are 10 choose 2 that you have solved 90. They are given the same way, or 10 choose 2 multiplied by 2, then 90. The answers are given this way in multiple answers like that. So
Yeah,
I understood that I have to double it.
and when we got the similar question in graded assignment, we all got scared.
Yeah, it has to be doubled as well there too. If we follow the
But
whatever is
I have
given in the
not
previous,
doubled
yeah.
it. I am planning to challenge it after the answer key is read if it is shown wrong.
Okay.
irrespective of the travel, I'll just look into it because it should be
Ma'am,
10
so
to
if
10
it's
tickets.
for the time being, can we say that it should be 45? Because the same question is there in graded assignment, not same, similar.
Irrespective of the direction, if this is going happening. The Chennai to Assam or Assam to Chennai, both are same. Okay, I'll just look into it. Maybe there is something. I'm just not able to. There must be an explanation. I'll just go through it once again, okay? So this question, where is this question? Can you just tell me? I'll just go through it.
I got it
It's
from
in
a
the graded
PYQ.
assignment for week
No,
6 as well.
it is in graded assignment, but I actually got it from a PYQ, same question.
So this is a graded assignment, right?
But the answer is given there.
The
So it
answer is
can't.
given there. I got that, but okay. Okay, I'll just go through the question, okay? But it should be permutation. I'll just go through it once again. Okay. Yeah, anybody, like somebody was asking me about for this practice assignments and question. Anyone? Somebody was asking me about practice assignment. Okay, so No questions from activity, sorry, the
Yes,
practice
ma'am. I was
assignment?
doubting question 3 and 4, practice assignment.
3 and 4. 3 has already been, you were there in the session right now?
Actually, ma'am, I joined in the middle. Means for some time I was disconnected.
Okay, what's your doubt? Okay, so the question third, okay, so question third is you are having 6 rows and 6 seats. In that 6 rows, I am having, in each of the 6 rows, I am having 6 seats, correct? And in that 6 seats, I have to arrange these 30 students. And the condition is that A and B are two students and they have to be seated in the same row. That's the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the first thing is I'm arranging this A and B. So A can be arranged in 6 seats in 6 ways. I'm just talking about one row. Okay. Only one row I'm talking about. So A will be seated in 6 ways and B can be seated in 5 ways. Correct? So it will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
6 into 5. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is I'm talking about only one row. So I'm having 6 rows. So this can be done in 6 ways more. So it will be 6 into 6 into 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the two students have been arranged. Okay, they have been seated. Now I've been left with what? 28 students. Now these
Yes.
28 students have to be seated in these 34 remaining seats.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So now these 34 seats should be arranged with this 28 students. So how can I do that? 34 P 28. So it will be 6 into 6 into 5 into 34 P 28. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Understood? Okay. Now what was the second, third and this
Question
one?
4.
How many 5-digit numbers are there? Exactly 2 even digits. Into the 5. The total number of 5 digits. Okay, I'll just. Okay. So first thing is, what is the question? We have to make like how many 5-digit numbers without repetition. So we are not repeating the numbers. Okay. So that means order here matters. Are there containing exactly 2 even digits? So in that 5-digit number, there should be 2 even digits. Fine. Now, so the first thing is how many digits are there? In total, I'm having 10 digits. In that 10 digits, I'm having 5 even digits and 5 odd digits. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Okay. Now I have to make 5-digit number, right? So that means I have 5 places. Now, first let us choose 2 even digits and we will be arranging them in 5 places, right? So first of all, I have to choose these 2 even digits. So in total, I'm having 5 digits. So I will choose 5C2, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these 2 digits have been chosen. Now these 2 digits have to be arranged in these 5 places that I can do in 5P2 ways.
Yes.
Okay. Now in total now the total number of ways I can do that is 5C2 into 5P2. That's the thing for the even digit. Correct?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is for even digit. Now there are 3 places remaining. So in these 3 places, I have to arrange 3 odd digits, right? So in how many ways I can do that? 5P3.
Yeah.
Got till here you got it? 5P3, how it is 5P3?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So the total number of 5-digit numbers, including the numbers which start with 0. So in this condition, we are taking 0 as the first number, first digit. Then the number of ways I can do that is 12,000. This thing is clear? Till here it's fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are excluding the digit in which the number starts with 0. Okay, because like a number, if the number is getting started with 0, it will be considered as 4 digits, right? That's why we are just excluding that the number in which the first digit is 0. Okay, so in how many ways? So first of all, I'm just fixing the first digit as 0. Okay, so the remaining 4 digits, it should contain 1 even and 3 odd digits, correct? First digit is 0. 0 is an even number. Okay, so I have fixed that first digit. So remaining 4 places, in that 4 places, 1 should be even and 3 should be odd.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now, this one digit, like this one digit, I have to choose from the 4 even digits because I have 5 even digits. In that 5, I have 0 number as well. So the 0 is already taken, right? So in total, I'm having 4 even digits. So in that, from that 4 even digit, I have to choose 1 even digit, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I have to arrange this one digit in the 4 places. It will be done by 4p1. Similarly, the rest of the 3 places have to be arranged by this odd digits. It will be done by 5p3. So in total, I'm having 960. So
Ma'am,
then you
for this
subtract
odd
this.
digit, why we are not doing 5C3 into 5P3?
5c3.
Why?
Okay. Okay. So the thing is, in this, like if you see here, we are arranging this. Okay. If you see here, first I have chosen 2 digits, right? Now I'm arranging these 2 digits in the 5 places, the whole 5 places,
Right.
right? So that's why 5p2. Now I have arranged the 2 places. So in total, I'm having 3 places remaining.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So like I have to arrange the 5 digit that like the 3 odd digit, I have to arrange them in 3 places, correct?
But we have 5 odd digit numbers, no, ma'am. Then we'll
Okay.
have to choose 3 from that 5 first and then arrange it.
Okay. That's it. Okay. So I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first of all, I have chosen even digits. So from 5 even digits, I have chosen 2 even digits. Okay. And then I've arranged this in 5p2 way. Correct? I've
Yes.
chosen. Then out of these 5 places, I have arranged these 2 letters. Correct?
Mm.
This is the meaning. Now, second thing is I am choosing from 5 odd digits, I am choosing 3 odd digits.
Mm.
Correct? Now
Yeah.
so the 2 places have already been occupied. So how many digits are, sorry, the places are remaining 3. So I can arrange these 3 letters in 3 places, correct?
Mm.
So it can be done in 3 factorial, it will be done in 3 factorial ways.
Okay.
Yeah. So this will be what? This is basically what? 5p3 only, is it?
And the previous case, why 5C2 into 5P2? It will be only 5P2.
But you have to choose the 2 even digits, no?
Yes, so
Then you will
5C2,
arrange that. Then you will arrange that 2 digits in the whole 5 places.
so 5C2 into 5 factorial should have been.
5p2, not 5 factorial. In the whole 5 places, you have to do it.
Yes, means I have chosen 2 even digits and now I can arrange in all the 5 places. So 5C2 ways I have chosen and into 5 factorial ways I can arrange.
How can you arrange in 5? I'm only having 2 digits, right? I'm not having all the 5 digits. So from that 5 places, I have to arrange these 2 digits. So it will be 5p2. So if I'm having 3 digits, so 1 digit will be here, 1 digit will be here, 1 digit. So what is it? It is 3 factorial. So I can arrange them in 3 factorial ways. Got
Means
the
I'm not
point?
getting this. Means when I'm choosing the even digits, out of 5 even digits, I am choosing 2, so 5C2. And then we have to arrange them. And when we have chosen the even digits, other digits are not chosen. So we have the 5 places vacant. So
Hmm.
we can arrange in
So we have to arrange these 2 in 5 places. How will we do it? 5p2?
Oh, okay, okay.
Hmm?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Yeah. That's it, and then you have to subtract from the total case minus the case where we are having first digit as the zero, which is 950. So in total, I would be having 11,040 as the answer. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is there any other doubt? Anything else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Could you please go to that question where 6 consonants, 4 vowels? I had to choose 3 consonants and 2 vowels. That question again. I'm having another doubt.
What's your doubt?
That means we have to form a 5-letter word with the 3 consonants and the 2 vowels out of 6 consonants and 4 vowels. So when we are choosing 3 consonants out of 6, so that is 63, and then we have to arrange. So after choosing in 63 ways, we have to arrange the 3 consonants in 5 places. So 63 into 6p5, that we should have done. And similarly for the vowels, we should have done 4c2 into 4p2, but uh, why are we not doing that? We are writing 63 into 6p5 into 5 factorial. Means when I'm seeing that, that is also seeming cut, means I cannot understand the difference. I'm mixing up a little. Mean, means 6 consonants and 4 vowels given. How many words can be formed with 3 consonants and 2 vowels? That question. Am I audible?
Yeah, just a
Okay.
second. 5, 2, 3. Then you're saying it will be you're telling me this thing.
The 63. Yes, ma'am. Like this means 63 into. Yes, ma'am. This. Because when we have chosen the 3 consonants and we have to arrange the 3 consonants in the 5 places, there are no restrictions. So in order to do that, we have to multiply 5p3, and
The
then
same thing only. You can do it like this also.
It is the
but
same thing. You can do it like that also.
Oh.
So 5c2 into 5c3 into 5 factorial will give the same answer.
that means just coincidentally the same answer is coming, or for all cases we can do like this. Means the logic I'm trying to understand. Means
Yeah,
when
you
I
can do. See, the logic should be correct. So this is the same logic. So first of all, you are choosing three, then you are arranging in those 5 places. Then again you're choosing two vowels, and then you are arranging them into factorial ways. It's the same logic. Okay?
Okay.
Anything else?
I have a doubt from week 5.
Acha. Yeah, what's it about? What's it about?
My activity 5.1 question 4.
Okay, so week 6 doubts are clear to everyone. There is no doubt. There are no more doubts, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, which one activity? Which activity you are asking? Me?
Activity 5.1, question 4.
5.1 question. Yes.
So I'm not able. I'm getting a wrong answer. That's
Mm. Should be multiple of 2 or 3. Mhm. Have you gone to the solution of like activity solutions are there in the supplementary content? Have you gone through that?
I cannot find it.
You can't find it? It's in the supplementary content.
I means I'm trying to uh, means frame the approach. Means it is given that the number should be multiple of 2 or 3.
Mm. Okay, so I'll just give you a hint. So the thing is, how many, what are the numbers which are divisible by 2?
If the last digit is an even number.
Huh. So how many numbers are there?
10.
There are 10. Okay. Now, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 3?
6.
6 numbers are there. Okay. Now,
Oh,
from both of these numbers, how many number are common?
3.
3 are common, right? So in total, I had how many numbers? First, I had 10 numbers in which are divisible by 2. Then I had 6 numbers which are divisible by 3. Correct?
Yes.
Now, I will just subtract the numbers which are common for both of them. Correct?
Yes. Okay,
So it will
understood.
be what? Yeah. Anything else?
Ma'am, the book which we have provided with does not contain the chapter PNC.
Ma'am, could you please once go to graded assignment 5, question number 6?
PNC, it's not there in that book.
No, ma'am. Only probability and stats.
Okay. PNC, just
Ma'am, I have a doubt in graded assignment 5, question number 6.
yeah, I got it.
Okay.
I'll just check and I let you know. Permutation and combination. Mm, in particular, we don't have a. Mm, mm. I'll just check it. I'll just check it. Okay. Well, have you just gone through the website or something for the
No,
books?
ma'am. I will check for it.
Yeah, just check for it. And if I find any books, I'll just let you know in the next session. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. So, what all doubts are remaining that I have to tell you in the next week? Can you just tell me so that I don't forget about it?
Sorry?
It is, what are the doubts that I have to? No, graded assignment 5 is there. Other than that, the week 6 tutorial, right? One of them asked me. Anything else that I've said that I will tell you in the next session? Okay, so there are 30 students in the class. The class teacher answers the first 4 students to complete. The solutions, the solution, PDF solutions have already been provided. Just go through that.
Means they have taken the combination here, but it should be permutation because the number the order in which the students are awarded that will form different cases. Means what are the possible number of ways the students can be awarded? Means if we change the order in which we have to choose 3 students out of 36, but if we change the order of the awards, then each one will be different case. So that means the answer is given as 36 factorial by 33 factorial into 3 factorial, but the 3 factorial should not be there. I was means doing I cannot understand why they have taken the combination.
What are the possible individual studies that we have? The first person to look at the students, therefore, for the distribution of the first award not only from participant in this one, from the distributed in the comparing the family Thomas school and the company because we are awarding the first experiment. Okay, Anjum, have you done the graded assignment 5 question? Question number 6. Is she here in the meet? No?
Not, I think.
Okay. So order does not matter because you're a meeting person. Okay, so what you were saying?
I was trying to say that they have considered combination in this case, but this should be permutation.
Where is the combination?
Means the answer is given that 36 factorial by 33 factorial into 3 factorial. They have done
No.
36 C3.
Have you gone through the solution? Have you gone through the PDF?
PDF I cannot find for the graded actually.
Oh, just go to supplementary content. Okay, there you will find graded assignment solution. Click on that. Then there will be a link. Just click on that link. And then you will be having the folders in which you have the graded assignment solution. Got it?
But the questions are different in the week 5 graded solution that they
No,
have given.
they have just given you the general idea. So just go through that and then let me know if you have any doubts.
Means the questions are different. Means from what I got, the means all questions are different.
No, but the total questions that we are having in graded assignment, every questions like every solutions are there. So you have to search.
Means that the questions that are there that's not matching with the questions I got.
Just go to question number 6 in the PDF.
Yes, I mean the PDF the question number 6 is there. There are n students in class. The class teacher
So that's
announced.
yeah. So in place of n, you have the number. So just go. It's the general question. So they have just solved
Okay.
the question in the general way. Fine?
Okay.
Okay.
I want to confirm one thing that at the beginning when we are doing the principle of counting the multiplication, when we are applying the principle of multiplication, there the order is getting automatically considered, like process 1 m ways, process 2 n ways. In how many ways can both process be done, that is mn. When we are doing that, the order is getting automatically considered. Is it, is it right?
Order? Which order?
Means suppose process 1 can be done in m ways and process 2 can be done in n ways, and then the total number of ways in which process 1 and process 1 and process 2 can be done both, that is mn. So when we are doing the mn multiplication, the order of the ways is getting automatically considered. Is it right?
The order of the
No, I mean suppose the examples we are giving, like how many ways, means process 1 can be done in m ways, process 2 can be done in n ways. Like means process 1 has m subtasks and process 2 has n subtasks, then the total number of subtasks possible is mn by the multiplication. So I am asking that when we are doing the multiplication principle, the order of the subtasks is automatically getting considered, like when we are multiplying, the order is automatically getting mattered. Is it right?
Correct.
Okay. So in questions when we can guess that order does not matter, we will not apply the multiplication principle.
Multiplication?
Like
It's
if in a
not
question,
about multiplication. See, if order matters, then one alphabet will not get repeated in the second place. That's it. It's not about order. It's the order and the multiplication, they are not connected. It depends upon the question.
no, means this mistake only actually I made in that question for that question graded assignment. Means I thought that how many ways can 3 students be awarded. So I thought the first student can be awarded in 36 ways, then into 35 into 34. So that came out, but that but when I saw the solution, the order is not mattering. uh,
Yeah, because
it
the
is,
fifth student can also get the first place. The sixth student can also get the first place or something. So here the order does not matter.
yes, means in this situation the order does not matter, but when I'm doing the when I'm applying the principle of multiplication, like means how what are the possible number of ways that the first 3 students will be awarded. Means 36 into 35 into 34. When I first did that, uh, uh, there the what I'm seeing, that the order is basic order is getting considered, means 36 into 35 into 34. This multiplication when I'm doing, means all the possible arrangements are being considered. So that's why I got the answer wrong. Means I'm trying to say that when we are applying the principle of multiplication, yeah, it will even take the cases where the rearrangements are possible, means all possible orders. It will not neglect the similar cases, like the cases where the order is not mattering.
You're saying that if you're multiplying it's it's not taking the same cases. You're saying that.
Means I'm trying to say that it is taking all the cases. Means like when the order is not mattering, when we are doing the other way, we are dividing the number of ways by which the cases are not mattering. That is why in this question we did the n factorial by n minus 1 factorial n factorial. The n factorial we took where the order did not matter, but when I'm trying to approach by the principle of multiplication, when I'm doing that in the first case it is n ways, then n minus 1 ways since no repetition. So when I'm doing that n into n minus 1, the result that is coming, that is that is including all the possible cases, all the possible orders, means order is automatically getting
Order matters here.
uh, uh, so that's what I'm trying to ask, that in the
Yeah, so order
question.
matters here. Then if order does not matter, that's why you divided it by n factorial, na?
So I'm trying to ask that in the questions where the orders, where we feel that the orders will not matter, we will not try to approach by the multiplication principle.
No, you have to do it. It's just that the people are getting repeated. That's why.
No, means if
First,
repetition is also
first,
possible, then also order can matter.
second.
Are you able to view the question, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm just seeing the question.
Means I'm trying to ask that first when I tried by the very basic approach, like the first award can go to 36 students, then all, since already one award is gone, the second award can go to 35 students, and then third award can go to 34 students. So total number of ways I thought is 36 into 35 into 34. But there, since this answer is not matching and the solution I also saw, so that is why I'm asking that is it true that when we are multiplying like this, we are taking as if, means all the orders are mattering, means not as if, means when we are multiplying the cases, the number of ways, yeah, means all the orders are being taken. We are not neglecting the cases where order does not matter, like the three students, yeah, there are three awards, it does not matter in which order they receive the award, just the three awards they receive, that is important. But when I'm multiplying
Correct.
like this, the very basic approach, like first award can go to 36 students, second award can go to 36 minus one student since one award gone, and then the third award can go to 34 student. When I'm multiplying like that, the order is getting considered, we are not able to filter out the orders or exclude suppose. So the multiplication principle I'm trying to ask is only valid for the cases where there is order. And when we are when we feel from the question that the order is not important, then we should not try to apply the multiplication principle.
Multiplication principle is like if we can do some event in n1 ways
Ma'am,
and the
if you
second
allow
event
me to
in
ask in another better way, means can I ask another example? Means suppose it is asked that number of ways in which I can choose 2 pens out of 4 pens. So uh, it is not suppose the order does not matter. I can when order does not matter, I can definitely 2 by 4 c 2 ways. But suppose I think of the simpler approach that we learned in the beginning, that I consider the two placeholders. In the first placeholder, 4 pens can go, and in the second placeholder, since 1 pen is already gone, 3 pens can go. So 4 into 3, 12. But then this 4 into 3, 12, it is becoming equal to 4p2. But since the choose is mentioned, we don't want the order. So that is why I'm asking that uh, when we are multiplying, the order is getting automatically taken, not like the,
correct.
okay. And I'm sorry, I'm just another doubt, means I was facing this earlier. Means suppose that example only, that number of ways I can means are these two situations same, means number of ways I can select 2 pens from 4 pens, and the number of ways I can choose 2 pens at a time from 4 pens, are these situations same?
No.
Like I have to select 2 pens out of 4 pens, but I am not drawing two at a time. I am first drawing one and then drawing the second. This is one
Ah,
situation, and another situation where I am drawing two at a time out of the
correct.
four. So will these two situations give the same answer? Like the number of ways to select 2 pens out of.
In the first thing, it will be 4C1 into 3C1, na? In the second condition, it will be like 4C2. That's it.
Okay. Means
Yes.
whenever we are applying the C operation like NCR, that is meaning that we have to do it R at a time, not individually.
R at a time. See,
Like
it's no. See, the thing is, the main thing is, it depends upon the question and it depends upon the situation. What the question has been asked. So if they're saying that you have to, like from the 4 pens, you have to select only 2 pens, then you will do 4C2, right?
okay,
It's just a situation. If it's the situation is stating that one at a time you have to do, so 4C1, then after that, the thing is, it's not repeating. You are not replacing it. So after
okay,
like one pen have been selected, so in total I'm left with 3 pens, right? So from
okay,
these 3 pens, I have to select only one pen. So it will be 3C1, something
okay,
like that. So it depends
okay,
upon the situation. The 4C1, 3, the C and the P, it doesn't, it is that you should know when to use pen. That's it.
okay, okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it's
Thank you, ma'am.
okay. That's it. Anything else? Anyone? Shall we end the meet then?
Do this. Give this recording link in the calendar
It's in the calendar.
meeting.
Yeah, it's in the calendar. YouTube link. Okay, so can I end the meet now? Shall I end the meet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bye everyone. Good night.